Hello, boys! Hello, hello. And good evening. Can you hear me okay? Because I have another headset tonight. You said, why did you change the other headset again? I don't know, but I did it. Someone should tell me if it's good enough or not. Someone should tell me if it's good enough or not. I still hear a lot of background noise. I don't know if it's better than the other stream, but anyway. Hello guys, so let's just recap what we did and what we are gonna do. So what we did, we basically have the new UI up, and we tested it a bit the other day. We improved the chat, we fixed few things there, and yeah. Now I think the next quest, we need a mission, right? We need a mission, and the mission is banking and storage. Let me search a nice image for banking. No, I don't like this kind of banking. Let's see if there is a toon banking. No, let's do a medieval chest. Nice. Banking and storage. Is this enough banking and storage? By the way, this is a 3D one. I think I like this one more. Yeah, this one will be our picture. So if I take paint, I like paint. It's a very stupid program, but it's good enough for us. Okay, if I take this, boom, and I do this, and then I do this, we have our new mission. Our new mission is banking and storage. Banking and storage means that we want to be able to drop items and store items at a certain NPC. Not all the NPCs are flagged as storage and banking, but some of them are. So first of all, we'll have to learn back. So we have few missions. One mission is to, let's say an easy one, to identify flags for NPCs, no, for banking and storage on NPC, and make one have both. Okay, that would be super easy. But anyway, let's put a mission there, so at least we have, you know, we have more than one. Then the second mission will be to build the UI for storage, and then there will be to have storage working. Have storage working, and then there will be two other missions for banking. I mean, pretty easy. It's a single player kind of thing, so it's not too hard to achieve, I guess. Wow, this headset has like super noise cancellation in my ears, so I basically don't hear anything outside my voice. So build a UI for banking and have banking working. Okay, so we have 5 missions. Yay! I like missions. I still don't understand if I level up when I complete the missions, but let's assume we do. I level up as a noob developer. Okay, so these are our missions, and let's start with the first one. Okay, I think I need a bit more space because I will have to have the green flags on the side. Yeah, when they will be completed. So we start to work on the first one. Okay. Identify flags for banking and storage on NPC and make one NPC have both those flags. Interesting. Someone is messaging me. Why does the Twitch stream say stream 81 but you're on 84? Good point, online co-op. Is that I have to update that manually, but I can do it. Yeah, the problem is that Twitch is having... And by the way, welcome back. Welcome back. Oh my god, advertising. Online co-op is long time you're not around, so yeah. Welcome back. Why there is advertising on my channel on Twitch? I have no idea. By default, he has advertising. Can I disable it? No, I cannot, I guess, huh? So, live, I have to go here under the dashboard. And what I have to do, I have to say... what I have to say? 84. I think it's probably wrong also for the previous ones. Yeah, I updated it, so now it's 84. Okay. So, let me check. I think it's pretty easy. The first mission is pretty easy. So, under characters, we should have under characters. Let me check. You were basically here online co-op before I started the streams, right? So it's at least 84 streams ago. At least 84 streams ago. Characters. So if we go under characters, and we search for one NPC. I think our NPC is it under flags? I don't remember if it's under flag. Banker. There it is, banker. Is a banker automatically a storage? Or can I be a storage without being a banker? That's a good question. I don't think we have a storage flag. I don't think we do. We have a banker flag. So none of these ones is a banker. I know one is. Nice. Let's check which one. Merchant. Merchant number 7 is a banker. Okay. I was just trying to understand. Let me check. If I go in our web console. I'm not 100% sure. Yes, it's still here. We enter with admin 1. And the password was what? Plan shift, I guess? Yes. That is the dummy database. We have the IP, check login. Okay. So, if I go under NPCs, I think I can flag an NPC for a specific the search merchant, for example. Okay. Banker. Yeah, there is the flag for banker. I think if you are a banker, you are automatically also storage, right? Anyone playing Plane Shift knows this? Because I don't remember, but I assume so. I think it's easier. We can go check the old code and see if do I have the old code open? No? Okay. You can open it up. William something. And William is both banker and storage, or Do you know if it doing both? Did you ever find one which is doing only banking or only storage? But we can see it from the code. I think it's easier. It's much easier, boys. Oh, we have 4 viewers on Twitch. Ah, getting popular. Okay, banker. Let me check. Entire solution I did. Okay, entire solution will take 10 years. No, will be quick. Luckily my PC is good enough. It was 7 at one point. Wow. Now we had like 13 on YouTube. I think the maximum was 13 on YouTube at the same time. I mean, it's not. I know it's not many, but you know, considering that what I do is not gaming, but it's development, software development. I mean, I may understand that not everyone is, you know, super keen. Why is not finding banker uppercase? Because it's lowercase. Okay. PS char is banker. Okay, this is our thingy, and this I think is where it's creating the NPC UI. Option bank. Actually, there is another check. There is a is banker and is storage. Haha, is storage is just saying is banker. Okay, so we found the answer to our question. I think we answered from we have the answer to our question. So a storage is automatically a banker, not vice versa, but anyway, considering there is only one flag, I think that yeah, if you are one, you are also the other. Okay, good. Now the next thing will be to check if where actually is displayed the banker and storage thingy in the old plan shift. I mean, when you right click, you see both. I just don't remember the exact position, so maybe we go in and check. Do you think there is more background noise now or in the previous stream? Because I would like to know if this microphone is picking up more noise than the previous one. Okay, let me get in. That is the old client. Okay, it's not the new one. Will be too complete. Hello, Soup. Welcome. Hey, boys. The old client is much slower in loading anyway, which makes me feel good inside. Okay, so what were we doing? So I want to check if, so I have to teleport to this guy. Teleport me request. Boom. I'm invisible at the moment, so I'm not, let's say, annoying any player. So if I right click, yes, you see these 2 icons at the bottom. Okay, so these 2 positions is storage and personal banking. Why one is called personal and the other is not called personal? I mean, there is public storage and personal banking. I don't know. Anyway, there is the storage window, which is divided by categories and is listing the items that you have. Actually, these one are the ones that you have in your inventory because it's listing that, and these are the ones that you can retrieve because this has been stored, right? Okay. Do we want to store from storage or banking? I think storage is the most important of the two because banking is only storing money, and storing money I think is less, you know, money doesn't take space in your inventory, I think. So yeah, so banking. Why people use banking, by the way? I have no idea. Do they get some interest from ArqueSt if they store the money, so after some time it goes up? No. Yeah, they're all bank and storage, Maui. I think we Willem is banker only? I mean, looking at the code is not possible. Is Willem or Willem? No, it's Willem. Is only banking? No, it's both, man. Storage and banking. You can do both all the time, or I don't know if I can do both because I'm. Oh, they share the inventory? Okay, so if I store something somewhere, then I can pick it up at another guy. You should have a fee though. I mean, they have to move the items from one place to the other and retrieve it. That is something we may add. That is something we may add. I have a lot of money. 8 million 3 years. Wow, I'm rich. Okay, so we have this. So the two icons at the bottom. Okay, fine. So we need to do the same. Now, what was the mission? I already forgot. The mission was to identify the flags. Well, it's very easy. This mission is done already. Yay! That one was easy. 10 minutes mission. Yay! Done. One mission. Okay, so let's make our lady the usual one, because we don't have other NPCs, but let's make the Mailan key, which by the way I don't know why it's called Mailan key, but it's okay, to be a banker and storage. Okay, so if I go at the end, I go here, I apply, and in our database now she's a banker. Very nice. Now what do we need to do? We need to identify this, so we need to have a check that this guy is a banker. Do we want to replicate? Maybe we can just replicate server side, yeah, you know, client side, the flag, instead of just calling it all the time. Yeah, I think it's much better, because anyway we'll never change, so we'll be done at the beginning once. So we are not really polluting, you know, the RPC or the, yeah. Maybe it was banker only before we implemented storage. Could be. It could be, boys. So, by the way, if you want to subscribe on Twitch or on YouTube, would be nice if you didn't do it yet. Okay, start banking. So what I want to do, I want to have one parameter on PS character, which is actually replicated, right? And this is what I want to do. So to do this, the last time I did it was some time ago, but first of all it has to be a EU property. So let's search for banker in this file and see. Oh wow, it's already replicated. Wow. Yeah, why is it already replicated, boys? Did I forgot that I did this already? Or is someone working behind the lines, I mean, and doing this without telling me? Is someone doing the same thing I'm doing without telling me? I mean, EU property banker is already replicated. When I did this? When I did this? I don't remember doing this. Must be quite some time ago, because so PS character, let me check. PS character.h show log. Let me search for banker, but I think they will not be here. No, it's not here. I don't know. Let's open something from April and let's see. Banker. Is banker. In April we had a function which was is banker, which was U function blueprint callable, and is storage. It's not a great idea though, because these two functions. Yeah, then I changed it later. Yes, I think I changed it. Because it was not a great idea, because if you replicate the value is much better. Maybe I started to do banking and then I decided that maybe not. Whether the character is banking. I mean, here is blueprint callable, but here is replicated in PS character. I'm looking at PS character.h. Yes, I'm looking at that. So is bool b banker. Why doesn't exist here? Because I changed it so much. I don't know. Anyway, I think it maybe is recent, but I don't remember doing this, which is funny. I don't remember doing this. And I did it in my dreams, boys. I did it in my dreams. So banker is not here, and this was the 7th of May. Oh my god. I did it after the 7th of May? Oh, here it is. I did it around the beginning of June. Or a bit earlier. Okay, that's fine. Maybe I started to do it and then I stopped. Okay, fine. So we have already the replication of the banker value. So maybe what we should do, we should now open the editor and see if we can check from the editor this replicated value. Let me just check one thing, because I don't remember when we are replicating. I think we need also to tell name, last name, full name. See, all of these are replicated. Merchant, also merchant is replicated. Trainer is replicated. Okay, probably I did a pass of all the ones that made sense, you know, and I replicated all of them. Yes, that's probably the reason why. That might be the reason. Okay, and DP, if you can write in Twitch or YouTube, I think is easier for me. Okay, you did. Okay, because I'm already checking like 3 or 4 windows, but I need to get back my password of Restream, because for some reason but anyway, I will do it later. So I wanted to get the Restream, because with Restream I can have one single chat, which is a bit easier, you know, and I don't have to look at 2 different windows. It merges the, but it seems it's not sending me the. Okay, so this one is already replicated. Did the editor start? Yes, it started. So let me go and check. So in the where do we have this? In our Interact UI, right? In our Interact UI, we have you're hyped about how useful the command is, yeah. So we should have here, in theory, a check for banker and trainer and everything else. Yes, for example, this one is merchant. Well, I don't think we need this is merchant anymore. I think we can just check the replicated value, right? Is this function still relevant? Is merchant. We have an is merchant which is blueprint callable, but having this B merchant replicated, I mean, why we need it? I mean, I could do something much simpler, right? Which is B merchant. No, it doesn't allow me to do it. Do I have to define it on this side as well to have it replicated? Does he has to be a variable? No, I was expecting to see this variable already in my PS character. Let me check. I'm confused now. There is on PS character, yes, on PS character, which is then connected to my PS character blueprint. I was expecting to get a B is merchant here, but I don't see it. Why? Guys, I think you know. I think you know, boys. Hello, Amy. Welcome. I'm pretty good, thank you. I'm trying to do this banking thing, but I don't remember. Real engine replicated property. Shouldn't that property automatically go into my thingy? I mean, into my... I was expecting it to be there. So I have my owner replicated. There is also this thing. I have to tell... Wait a second. There is also this other thing. Yeah, I remember it now. Should be maybe in the CPP. Yes, in fact I added it here. So I have replicated merchant, trainer, and banker. Right, so these variables should be replicated. Now, do I have to create them also on the client side? Is the action summary should be a replica flag? Will now be synchronized to connect the client for every copy of his actor type that is currently instantiated. Yeah, but do I have to create a variable also? In the header of the actor, where the public is defined, it makes sure to replicate the keywords about the implementation of the actor class. Yeah, so these three things I did, and it's fine. Any of you knows replication better than me? I can tell me if I need to put it also on the other side. I mean, the guy doesn't say so.